This is the FCTO Daily Forex News Report for the 8th of May 2013. Market focus was generally on equities as the Dow closed above the 15,000 level for the first time and the S&P 500 closed at another record high. Risk appetite carried on in the Asian session after strong Chinese data. But the volatility in the Forex market is relatively limited. The most notable move was found in the New Zealand dollar, which tumbled after comments from the Reserve Bank of New Zealand about intervention. European majors are generally bounded in range against the greenback, while some additional weakness was seen in the sterling. The Japanese yen recovered mildly as both dollar yen and euro yen failed to take out near-term resistance and look set to extend recent consolidations. The Kiwi dropped sharply after the Reserve Bank of New Zealand Governor Wheeler told Parliament there has been some intervention. He said that the Reserve Bank is on the record that it is prepared to intervene in the exchange rate. While he said they didn't expect intervention would materially change the level of exchange rate, the central bank could take potentially the tops off rallies. He said that the New Zealand dollar is significantly overvalued. Economic data from China showed that trade surplus came in wider than expected at $18.2 billion in April, compared to consensus of $15.5 billion. Exports jumped sharply by 14.7% compared to consensus of around 10%. Imports also jumped 16.8% compared to expectation of around 14%. However, the data raised some concerns that it is different largely from the trends in neighbouring countries including South Korea and Taiwan, which reported weak export numbers. In Europe, German newspaper Die Welt reported that the European Central Bank is considering buying bad loans from Southern Europe to revive asset-backed securities to pass credit risks to investors. Draghi said that last week the Governing Council decided to start consolidations with other European institutions on initiatives to promote a functioning market for asset-backed securities. Separately, Executive Board member Asmussen warned that keeping interest rates too low for too long can lead to real costs. German industrial production in March will attract attention today following the better-than-expected factory orders yesterday. Later in the day, Fed Stein speaks at Chicago Fed's annual conference on bank structure and competition, and the ECB's Asmussen will speak on inflation as a threat to prosperity. For all the news affecting the Forex market throughout the day, join us at forexcurrencytradingonline.co.uk. That's forexcurrencytradingonline.co.uk.